Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this HONGDAK 55-in-1 action camera accessories kit. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. Let's get this open. So it says widely compatible with different action cameras, capture all the breathtaking and exciting moments. It says swimming, climbing, surfing, skiing, bicycle. So on the Amazon description they list GoPro Hero 11 through 3 and 3 Plus. It also says it has universal action camera for Max Fusion, Insta360 and others. So this does have a carry handle on it, and the case is kind of a fabric covered plastic. Okay, so the case is kind of open down here and it has a pocket up high. So there is a lot of stuff in here. I'm trying to think what I want to do. I think I'll just take all this out for now. I don't know that I'll go over every piece. We'll try and look at some of the bigger accessories. So the manual does have an inventory of everything, and it does have descriptions of what they're for. So here we have like a bike handlebar mount. Here's a mini tripod, and you can use this as a little selfie stick, so you can hold a camera with this or you can wrap it around something. There's a helmet strap, wrist strap, head strap, chest strap, flip mount, suction cup, adjustable arm. This is a tripod adapter, so you can hook this into your GoPro and then you can connect it up to a 1/4-20 tripod mount, which would be on some of these accessories or even a different tripod. Here's a floating handle. I saw this in the picture. I wasn't sure what that's for, but that's if you have a helmet mount and you want to shoot yourself. So you could have the anchor attached to your helmet and then have this arm sticking out in front of you and the camera pointing back at yourself. Here's anti-fog inserts, wrench. It has adhesive pads. There's 11 of those, and they are the 3M VHB. VHB is very high bond, so you have the quality adhesive there. You have the different flat and curved mounts, carrying case. So this has some examples on how to use it, which I'll go over some of these here. I think this would be a good starter kit for someone who is just new to action cameras and gets a new action camera, and there's so many accessories out there, and this kit comes with all of them. And accessories can be pretty expensive, and this is a very affordable way to get lots of different accessories. Now there could be higher quality and fancier versions of some of these that you might buy individually. So say you use this suction cup mount and it works okay for you, but you want something a little more robust or something, then you could maybe upgrade that component later. But this is a great kit to get you started. So I need to find the screw handles. They're here, okay? So there's 4 of these. And here's a wrench for those. So if you have trouble tightening these, you can put this on here to tighten or loosen them. It does come with a little lanyard too. So here's a selfie handle. So here I have a GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition. I'll line up the holes here. I'll put the screw in there and I'll tighten that down. And I just realized that I got the short screw. So there might be times when you want that shorter screw, but I think it can be easier to use the longer ones. When I was putting that on, I did not have clearance to tighten that. So again, if I'm having trouble tightening that, I can use this wrench here to help tighten it. So this expands here. It's like this is a lock button. Okay, so I can lock that down, lift it up, tighten the sections. And here I can have a selfie stick. So this extends very long, but it shortens for storage. And then in the end here, this unscrews here, and this can screw in the opposite way. And here we have a little portable tripod, like so. Now needless to say, this isn't the most stable base, so if you have a strong wind, this could get blown over. So you'll have to use your judgment if it's safe to use this or when it's safe to use this. And this does have a lanyard on it too, a wrist strap. We have suction cup. I love suction cup mounts. Now in a car, you might put this on your windshield. Now, if you put it on your windshield, you can potentially obstruct your view. So you want to make sure it's out of the way. Another place I've found that you can mount these is on a moonroof or sunroof. You can put this to the top and then have this hang down and have it point out, say, the front of your car. Now that could get annoying on a day-to-day basis, but if you're doing like a one-time, like tour drive-through video, that could work well. So this will stick to a surface, lock it down, and now it's suctioned on there. Now this isn't a perfectly smooth surface, it's locked okay on there, but that will eventually come loose. So these are really kind of made for glass, or you can have a car painted surface, but you want to make sure it's very clean. This and the surface you're attaching it to should both be clean. Now to attach it in here, you'll need a slide mount, and the GoPro comes with some of those, but there's some in the package. Let me find those. Like here they are. So these will slide in here like so, and the GoPro will mount in here, if I can line it up right. There we go. So if you're to mount this in your car like this, you would want to go into your software and tell it to reverse the image. That's a pretty standard thing to do. So to take this clip off, we'll just squeeze here, and they'll slide right out. Here's a floating handle. So this would be good for water activities like water slides, swimming, things like that. This could also just be used as a regular handle. If you're doing some filming, this is an easy to hold handle if your hands are big enough. This is a very easy to hold handle just to get handheld shot. Comes with a lanyard. So here's that handlebar mount. This does have some foam rubber in there. You can see these threads are really long, so it'll fit on different size handlebars. And we do have these adapters here. These are 90-degree rotations. So if you want the GoPro to point a different direction. So if you clamp this to a handlebar, it will point the GoPro to the side. So what you'd want to do is put this on it to reverse the direction and then mount the GoPro on that. Of course, these can be used with any of the other adapters that they'll fit. Here's the clip adapter. It's got teeth in there. You could put this on a strap like a backpack strap, and then this rotates. So if you were to clip this to backpack, you could rotate it so it's pointing forward. It's got a little bit of a loop in here. You could maybe tether that to something or tether something to it, either way. Here's a wrist strap, so this rotates. Has a lock on it too. So you lock it in position so it no longer rotates once you get it to where you want it. So here's some more of these angle pieces, and these have screws on them. So you could use a screwdriver to tighten those. So if you need a lower profile. Here are mounting plates. So there's two styles of these. These are flat and these are curved. So this would be for a flat surface, obviously. This would be for a surface like a helmet. So if you have a bike helmet, they're curved and you can put that on there. And then to mount it, we have two different profiles of tape. And this is that 3M VHB tape. That gives you a very good bond, and then you can use heat to remove it. So here's the head mount. So you could adjust this strap, put this over your head. There's this elastic here, and there's this silicone in here to give it a little grip. And there's foam on the back there. This is a helmet mount for a vented helmet, so you could run these straps through the vents and tighten that down on your helmet. So if you don't want to stick anything to your helmet, you can use that one. Then we have the little tripod here. This has those flexible legs on it, so you could wrap it around something. It has rubberized feet to give it a little grip, and then it has a little ball head here. You can move around and tighten. Then it has a thread here you can tighten against the camera. So for this one, you're going to want to use that GoPro to tripod mount, which is here. So this will thread on and mount your GoPro to this. This is a chest mount. This is a great way to get a point of view. So this mounts on your chest, has a clip here. GoPro slides in like so, and that can tilt up, and you can tilt the angle there. Here we have a strap. These are the desiccant pads, so you'd put this in your case. So like these don't have the external cases, but if you have an older GoPro that had like the clear cases, they can get fog in them, so you can put these in here to absorb moisture. Here's that really long arm there. So that would go between here and here, so you could say point that back at yourself. So you can get some really neat shots with those. Here we have a bunch more VHB, and these are some more of the clip mounts. These are all the same here, I think. Yep. So there's two styles of these mounts. You have the smaller ones and the larger ones. So on these larger ones, you can mount it like so and tilt it like that. So if you're going to mount it like that, this one, I think you mount, I don't know that it matters actually, but like if we mount it like so. And looks like another helmet mount. And then this is these are just tethers. So you could stick this to something and use this lanyard to tether it. So there are many uses for a tether like that. You can tether your camera or other equipment. So I think I might have actually covered all the accessories here. I don't know, maybe I missed something, but so that was the HONGDAK 55-in-1 action camera accessories kit. I think the value in an action camera is how you can mount it, where you can get unique shots and point of view shots and things like that. And in order to do that, you'll need mounts. So this kit really has you covered on that. So you can do helmet, chest, head, suction cup, handlebar. It comes with all of those. So, but not only that, it comes with even like these little adapters like this and the ones that turn at 90 degrees. So that can give you near infinite combinations on how you can set all these up to get the shot you want. Now let's say this could get a little disorganized here. I don't know of a good way you could organize this in a box like this. I would think if you're traveling with this, you could maybe remove things you aren't going to use. Like if you're never going to use a chest mount, you can take this part out. Or if you're not doing water stuff, you might take this out. So you could probably narrow this down before you go on a trip, so you don't have to take every single component with you. And that will keep it a little more organized. So I don't know if I'm going to keep things in the bags or not for storage. Time will tell. I'm guessing what I'll probably do is things I use a lot, I'll leave out of the bags, and things I use less frequently, I'll leave in the bags. So then when I open this up, I can look for the things that aren't in bags and know those are the things I'm more likely to grab. Because typically when I'm filming with GoPro, usually I'll use like handlebar mounts, suction cups. Those are things I commonly use, and like these kind of mounts. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.